This is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Microsoft Excel Gantt chart using a Mac. Let's get started.
The first thing you want to do is add a formula for days remaining. Click into the days remaining cell, press equal on your keyboard. Days remaining equals duration minus days completed. Enter on your keyboard and copy this formula to all the cells in this column. The duration equals the due date minus the start date. Press equal on your keyboard. Enter on your keyboard and copy this formula to all cells in this column. The only information you will be adding manually is the days completed. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to add a 4 here, indicating that I have completed 4 days out of the 8, and a 7 here. To insert the chart, go to Insert, and the chart you are going to choose is a stacked bar. Right-click your mouse to select Data. Add a data series called Start Date. And define your values. Press Enter on your keyboard. Add a data series called Days Completed. And define your data series here. Press Enter. Finally, add days remaining. And add your horizontal axis. These will be your assignments 1 through 9. Click OK. As you can see, the data has been populated into your chart. You will not need the start date to reflect solid lines, so we're going to change that. Left click until all the bars are highlighted. And you're going to choose Format. And you're going to give them no fill. What you notice here also is that the assignments are not in the correct order. Number 1 is at the bottom, number 9 is at the top. Right-click, choose Format Axis, and say Categories in Reverse Order. What you also notice here is that there is a lot of space between the first assignment start date. So we're going to adjust the dates by right-clicking on the dates, Format Axis, and enter the date that you would like your chart to start. Usually give it a few days before the start date of the first assignment. And here you would enter the end date, usually a few days after the end of the last assignment. So that has taken care of that space. To add a chart legend, be sure you are clicked on Chart Design, and here you will see Add Chart Element. You can add a legend to the right, top, left, or bottom, and you can also add a title. Since we have eliminated the start date, we can delete the item in the legend that says start date. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful.